We've isolated the areas within the floodplain. We have to treat it first. We drink tea first, then we look for tea. But the solution, permanent solution for East West Road is the use of concrete and to raise it above the floodplain. If you look at what we are doing in Eleme to Ne, the road going to port, housing a lot of industries and activities, we are using concrete to do that 15 kilometers of route. Douala is that's 30 kilometers, and so this is the solution to a lot of road, pavement.
Now that this side of the road has been raised up, we are requesting that this other, the spur going to my community should be raised, a culvert put in there to release water and then improve the market which it has affected.
Construction work is in progress along the Benin-Asaba Expressway, with visible signs of expansion into a 10-lane dual carriageway expected to ease congestion and improve travel time. Governor Monday Okpebholo, during a site visit, expressed satisfaction with the pace of work and emphasized the importance of road infrastructure in boosting economic activities and ensuring safety for commuters. The governor inspected work linking communities such as Amufi, Okpara, Iyanomo, and Egekpe. The road, when completed, will serve as a major access route, fostering connectivity between urban and rural areas. He also visited the Ramat Park flyover, where work is advancing steadily. The project is expected to significantly reduce traffic gridlock around the busy Upper Mission axis in Benin City.